morning to you too, State College.
Here's the high wind statement for the following counties: Bedford, Cambria, and Somerset. High wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Friday. West, southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Ware, Cambria, Blair, Somerset, and Bedford counties. Wind from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Friday. Impact. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially from high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. For high wind safety information, visit weather.gov/wind. The latest forecast information can be found on the National Weather Service State College Facebook page and Twitter at NWS State College, or on the web at weather.gov/CTP. Here's the hazardous weather.
Well then.